Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I am making black soap, but right now I put this one in a microwave because this is my own use, and I put a whole 2 pounds. So this is 2 pounds of melt and pour soap, and it is a black soap. And so as you can see right now, what I'm doing is I am melting some of these. It's not melt properly, but because it's hot, you can see right now it's hot and a little bit more in there. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna keep stir it until it disappears. So because I'm stirring right now, I think I am creating more bubbles. But what I can do right now is I can use my spray bottle right now, and I can just give it a spray and all these bubbles will disappear. But because this is I'm using this for my house and myself, I'm just gonna leave the bubbles like it is right now. All right, so let me go ahead and just still give this a stir until all this gone, and I'm gonna pour it into a measuring cup that I have here so it can be easy to pour. As you can see, there's a little piece of chunks still went in my measuring cup, and you can see so many bubbles. So like I said, if I want to get rid of these bubbles right now, I can just give it a spray, or I can just use my spoon that I'm using right now, and I could just go ahead and just scoop it off. As you can see, I think all my soap is fully melted. So guys, I don't put any fragrance oil or essential oil in this because it smells so good already. So as you can see in another video, I show you how I clean my molds. So now it's easier to be done. So yesterday I cleaned the molds, and today I don't have to do it today again. And you can see there is still a lot of bubbles. So like I said, I can just use a spoon right now and just scoop it off to the side. But because this is my own use, I am not going to. I'm just going to leave it like how it is. And I'm going to let it set in the mold. And then what I'm going to do is I am going to just use a knife after. And then I can pare it up, or I can just scrape it off. Depends on what it is. So you can see out of this 2 pounds of pour and melt, I got a whole 6, and I think I can get 4 more out of this. Yes, I got 4 more. So I got 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Alright guys, it's a short video. Thank you for watching. Have a great day everyone.